In today's video, let's go over the Paris stickers, see what happened to their teams at the RMRs, analyze prices and applications, and try to give an investment outlook for them. We have previously checked out teams that have stickers at Stockholm and Antwerp and analyzed their investment potential on a surface level, keeping in mind the RMR's results for the next major in Copenhagen that starts in a few days. As usual, we start with the Contenders capsule. Complexity did manage to qualify for the Copenhagen Major, and as such, we'll be looking at having another sticker available. Already having another borderless iteration at Antwerp, I'm not really looking to get into a position here. Granted, the Antwerp sticker has somewhat of a different logo, and the Paris glitter is the most applied glitter from the Paris Contenders capsule. The stickers are too similar and share the same demand. It doesn't necessarily help that it's from the most open capsule from Paris either. Its hollow is down around 6%, while the gold is down double that. The glitter shows some positive action, but is very likely unsustainable due to the amount of Paris Contenders glitters that are available. Team Liquid lost the North American Clash, which makes the Paris sticker the latest iteration, at least until the second major of the year in December. Having multiple other borderless versions, which to be fair look kinda different, I'm not exactly happy with the amount of available unapplied Paris Liquid stickers, so I'm personally staying away for now. In their latest showing at the Blast Premier Spring Showdown, they had yet another very disappointing performance, making me question their synergy. At least their hollow and gold stickers are up slightly. After a disappointing showing at the RMRs and not being able to qualify from the Asia's region, Greyhound released their squad and they are now looking for a new home. What that also means is there won't be a new Greyhound sticker in the near future. OGs know, I've initially liked this sticker a lot. However, when it became clear that we are looking at the worst major comparing supply to application demand so far, I've stopped adding to that position. To be honest, it's been a very bad investment up until this point, but with recent news I've regained confidence that it will be alright in a few months down the line. Nonetheless, not really the best investment. We have seen that the news had significant impact for all of its stickers, with the older ones profiting a lot when the news hit. Meanwhile, most have already come down from its hype prices. The gold sticker is up decently, the rest is flat. ENCE will have a chance at yet another borderless sticker, adding to its 3 existing ones. Probably the last sticker I would personally invest in, and I'm happy to see the market agreeing. FaZe has decent applications, having its hollow stickers lead the charge for hollow applications at Paris. Having all the FaZe hollows at a relatively cheap price point, I unfortunately don't see any significant growth potential here, as they all look too similar. Any great price increases would need a lot of demand to drive prices higher for all borderless versions. As usual for FaZe currently, the gold sticker is up a decent amount, with everything else basically flat over the last 30 days. We have seen gold stickers up across collections. I do believe a driving factor for that is the AK Inheritance craftability with those golds. The Mongols have also qualified for Copenhagen. I feel like they are dominating the Asian scene and are very fun to watch. They have changed their logo ever so slightly, making it a little bit better for stickers due to the bigger outlines to have more hollow effect on it. It's probably not the worst investment at its current price point, but its Paris version just doesn't look too good, which seems to be a widespread opinion, considering its applications while being relatively cheap. The golds, and surprisingly also the hollow stickers, are up on decent volume. The only team that we won't see at Copenhagen from the Contenders capsule is Fluxo. Fluxo being in my top 3 biggest Paris investment positions, I'm of course a little bit biased here. Not having alternatives anytime soon, and being a very unique sticker in general, I can stomach the lackluster applications that are probably due to its continued relatively high price point. Fluxo Gold is up around 18% and the hollow is up ever so slightly. Last, we have Mouse. Qualifying for Copenhagen, I could see another irrational and really unreasonable run-up for this sticker, in case Copenhagen is bordered, but that's not a gamble I necessarily want to take. There hasn't really been much action in the last 30 days, but its 60 days isn't looking all too well. Overall, the Contenders capsule and most of its stickers seem a little bit risky and heavily bought to me, so I'm staying away for the foreseeable future. Moving on to the Challengers capsule, which is looking at the lowest openings, so likely lowest outstanding sticker supply. Gamer Legion has not been able to qualify for Copenhagen, so the Paris stickers remain the only borderless variant, providing decent grounds for a potential investment. It seems to be in demand, as prices have been relatively high, basically the entirety of their sale as well. However, most of that demand looks to be coming from investors or collectors, as application rates are relatively low, almost reaching current Paris mouse prices. I'm not sure I would invest right now. It certainly is one of the very few Paris stickers that are worth considering and taking a closer look, in my personal opinion. Its hollow is up 30% and its gold up 19%. We've been talking about G2 stickers in the previous videos as well, as not only do they have a borderless version at Paris, but also at Stockholm and Antwerp. While its glitter is very popular, the hollow applications aren't too great to warrant any sustainable demand that could increase G2's borderless supply significantly. The hollow and gold are up 8% in the last 30 days. price. Monty is up next, and they have not managed to qualify, which makes the Paris version its only available sticker. Unfortunately, we're seeing the lowest hollow and gold applications from Monty out of every sticker that is available, even though it's not necessarily expensive. At its current price, I don't think it's a bad investment to make going forward if you like the sticker. Having its star player SDY leave the roster, its competitive future looks very uncertain to me. The hollow and gold are up 35 and 12% respectively, furthermore highlighting the great short-term demand for borderless stickers without alternatives. Pain Gaming will receive another sticker at Copenhagen. I really like the sticker from a looks point of view, but having the threat of borderless Copenhagen right now isn't the time to invest in my eyes. Also, its Stockholm version will act as a soft cap for prices, and that limit isn't too far away, which probably reduces potential gains. Nothing major happening here in regards to prices in the last month. Apex will also get a new sticker at Copenhagen. After being very hyped during the Paris sticker sale, it has really been on a steady downward trend and is still too expensive to warrant a significant investment before we know what Copenhagen stickers look like. If they are bordered, Apex might not be a bad investment to enter. The more or less unexpected qualification is reflected in its prices as well, continuing the trend we just talked about. Forzy won't see another sticker with its current logo. After having changed it compared to Antwerp, we're looking at a decent sticker in my eyes. Having a relatively low price, applications and investor demand are not as good as I would like them to be to justify entering a bigger position here. Its hollow and glitter are up a good amount in the last 30 days. OG didn't qualify either and is looking at similar issues, just with more applications comparatively. What's interesting to me and keeps me from considering it any further as of right now is that the application rate this month hasn't increased as much as basically every other sticker. It's only looking at around 60% more applications than in January compared to other stickers from this capsule, which doubled their monthly application rate. A lacking demand is also seen in its sticker prices, where even though they didn't make the major, nothing positive is to be seen. Last from the challengers, we have the problem child of legacy organizations. Ninjas in pajamas. Not qualifying, but already having two borderless alternatives, I'm personally not really interested. Prices are mainly flat. Now, what's my opinion of the Challengers capsule? Having the lowest openings, I believe it's safe to assume it's also the least invested in, making it attractive from that point of view. Having a few stickers that aren't looking to be getting new versions at Copenhagen, there are worse investments at this point in time, but I won't be adding for now. Overall, worth keeping an eye on, I believe. Please let me tell you about GamerPay for a few seconds. GamerPay is honestly quite the simple marketplace for CS items, with super good prices and one of the best fee structures out there. You are trading with real people who buy or sell items with no fee. You can customize your search to find the exact skin you like, even with the newest or oldest stickers, whatever floats your boat. Right now, you can get free 5 euros upon signing up with my link in the description when you buy something worth 50 euros or more via GamerPay's marketplace. So you can give it a try and even get a portion of your shopping spree for free. Special thanks to you and to GamerPay for providing me with this opportunity. Moving on to Legends, as has developed into tradition, we start with Furia. We were talking about Furia in the last two videos as well, which means they have stickers at Antwerp and Stockholm, now Paris, and in a few days they will have Copenhagen stickers. I can almost guarantee that this sticker will be among the top 3 to 4 most expensive team stickers again, showing the very high demand. Prices compared to 30 days ago reflect the expectations of them qualifying, with no particularly interesting developments here. ITB, or Into the Breach, has not managed to qualify, and as such, Paris will remain its only sticker on the market. The logo itself isn't too perfect for a sticker, and I believe that's one reason why there's pretty bad demand from crafters and investors. Prices are up a few percentages across the board. Vitality will receive yet another sticker at Copenhagen. I honestly don't see any reason to invest into this sticker, which is reflected in my non-existent position for any of their stickers. Prices show that it has some room to run until it catches up to its borderless counterparts from Antwerp and Stockholm. The last 30 days show the hollow and gold trying to close this gap. Navi suffers from the same issues like Vitality, having stickers from every major, including the borderless ones of course. Without catalysts, I'm not touching their stickers either, even though their applications look pretty nice, well, within the Paris collection of course. Prices are rather flat while people wait for Copenhagen. We arrive at something that interests me much more and have got a decent position in already. Let's talk Fnatic. They have missed out on qualifying for Copenhagen, so Paris is guaranteed to remain the only affordable borderless version for now. Their current price point is somewhat justifiable, I feel like, at least compared to most other Paris stickers. Applications look good comparatively, and the application rate change is also in line with most of the collection. The hollow and gold are looking at a 15 and 36% price increase over the last 30 days, which I'm happy about. Moving on to BNE, the Paris iteration will be its last sticker with that logo, even though the roster is still competing. Having changed logo and name, this sticker is still lacking too much for me to consider it a good investment at this point. The market seems to agree at the moment. Heroic has qualified for Copenhagen and will receive a new sticker. I personally like the sticker and its price, but the applications are on the lower end and investor demand seems almost non-existent as well. The holo is down around 10%. 9 hasn't managed to qualify for Copenhagen after losing its core to ends. Round stickers aren't really what I'm primarily looking at, but this one looks good in my opinion and has some nice usage potential. Its current price and applications show that this is no unpopular sticker whatsoever, even though losing its core probably will reduce demand, which can be seen from the latest application rates that are on the lower end comparatively. Nonetheless, the holo version is up 11% and the gold almost 20% in the last 30 days. In general, the Legends capsule looks fine in my eyes, but isn't something I would continue adding for now. If Copenhagen is bordered, having a few of them in my inventory certainly doesn't hurt. So, to summarize, the outstanding supply from Paris remains a huge problem for the collection. After the sticker update, we can see 2 to 3x in applications compared to the previous month, which is important, but not quite enough yet. If you check out all the Paris team stickers, you can easily see a pattern where the teams that haven't qualified outperformed the Copenhagen attending teams. Not surprising, the market likes safety and less chance of duplicates. Borderless Copenhagen would be very bad for basically all Paris stickers. Splitting up general stickers demand much further. We will get the new stickers this week, so brace for impact, boys. Thank you so much for watching, and you will hear from me as soon as the Copenhagen stickers drop. See you then.